Robert O. Young, the author of the famous pH Miracle Diet, has claimed that baking soda could cure certain diseases like diabetes and cancer.
Now he finds himself in prison. My name's Paige, I'm a pharmacist.
My name's Zach, a physician, and let's talk about how this guy has found himself in prison for practicing medicine without a license and for theft. It started in 1995 when he drew blood from 2 women, ran some tests, and then sold them herbal treatments. He's charged with a felony back then for practicing medicine without a license.
He pled it down to a misdemeanor, but he didn't stop.
In 2001, he allegedly told a woman who had cancer to stop her chemo regimen and to try his alkaline protocol.
Then he gave an undercover agent a diagnosis from a drop of blood. He recommended a liquid diet, but the charges were dropped on that instance.
In 2014, he was running a treatment center out of a 48-acre ranch. Some patients paid thousands of dollars, upwards of $50,000 to $100,000 for these treatments that he claimed could cure their diseases.
He got arrested and was charged with 18 felony counts of practicing medicine without a license and theft.
And during this trial, he actually admitted that he had no real doctorate degree. He had no medical degree, no DO, no real naturopath degree either. He wasn't a microbiologist, a pharmacist, or anything.
In 2018, he was ordered to pay over $100 million to a cancer patient he had misled with his treatments.
And in 2025, he was finally found guilty and sentenced to 6 years in prison, with the judge actually calling him, quote, a charlatan.
So the next time someone tells you to trust the wellness guru over your doctor, maybe at least check their credentials first.
Let's dig deep into some of his actual practices and deceptions and stuff, and let's talk more about how he deceived patients, but more importantly, how he ended up harming patients. And maybe we could talk about how we can vet these people that are selling these wellness treatments and know what is actually safe and good to take.